Hi, I'm going to show you how I edit. It's not going to be the best edits, but I'm going to try. But you basically go to Pixlr, E-P-I-K-L-R-E. And basically you press open image and you put the image in. And basically I go to this picker. I take these colors from the top and I do a lighter color. And then I go that's basically what I do. And then I go here, I do blur. I'm also going to show you. I haven't done blood in a while. Once. But I haven't done it in a long time. I've only done it once. So let's look to see if it's bad. This is starting out pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just to bring it up maybe. And maybe I'll go in with a lighter color to put in. You can see it makes these circles. And I didn't really notice that either. Yeah, see. But you can obviously just take that away with this is right here. Take that away. I'm gonna see if I can go in with a lighter color because I should shade. Gonna do that. I'm going to place one right here, right here, here, right here, and right here. Okay. Just blend it in. It did look good. Kind of ruined it with that. I've done better. I guess that's good. Perfect. And now I'm going to go with this color. I'm going to go like that. I've never done it with my, so I think that's good. Oh, and also, they have like that type of ponytail, but it also just, what I do with pretty, it's just kind of add one or two streaks, and then I go back and blend it in. I like to detail the clothes too. Try to get better at editing. I don't know. I will. Yes. As you can see, I'm very bad right now. I want to get better. I'll probably get better. It's gonna take a little while, maybe. Well, you can look at my editing. It was pretty good. I guess. You might think it's good, but it's not that good. Now that I have you, I'm going to go to Chris. Upload all of these shirts. Color picker. Pick my hair. I think he has the same hair as what I just do for him was just does like writing. I don't think I've ever think about this, but she's pretty popular. The same as people editor. I don't think I've ever editor. So that would be fun. Trying to sometimes I just kinda go like that. Because I'm gonna have to change this purple. I'm gonna have to change the purple. I'm gonna have to put purple there. But basically, if I go to here, I go right here. I'm working on that right now. So, but basically, this was one of my edits because not that bad, I guess. I'm going to detail it really. I guess I would start on this video. I'm gonna do that. Detail in the clothes. Is it too bad, I guess? I got detailed tables. Well, nightmare. So, just detailing the clothes now. Because why not? I don't think I'm ever doing so I probably remember that now I'm going to edit these clothes. whispering and I don't know why. But I'm pretty sure it's all over the internet, like Facebook was all over the. I don't think it's that popular now. I don't know. Please tell me. I need to know if it's still popular. I don't think I've ever edited Michael before either. My first time editing all this, but oh my god, I've edited like Chris and not make a toy house. Right? So, okay, I fixed it kind of. Okay. Can I kind of go this color maybe? Okay. Let's see. Don't know. I want to do darker hair. Just got too light hair. I had that problem when I had my own shoot color because light. It was so great. And I changed it because I really keep all of my colors. Changed. Okay. I think I'll do this. Wait, I have to put the darker color in her hair. So, should I do that color? I don't think so. I'm going to do that one. Wait. What? Okay, it's clear. Okay, I think it's good. Let me pause this. Back. Switch.